Hello student. Now there is one more doubt from 6.3 question number 10. In question number 10 it is given CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lies on the side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If ABC is similar to FEG, then we have to show that. So what is given? Triangle ABC and triangle FEG, in which they are the similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Now and CD and GH are the bisector of angle ACB and angle GEGF such that D and H lies on the side AB and FE. So this CD is a angle bisector of ACB and this GH is a angle bisector of FGE. Now we have to show that first CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG, and second we are requirement DCB, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE, and third triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So for first proof, in triangle ABC and triangle FEG, in triangle ABC and FEG, what is given? Angle A equals to angle F, angle B equals to angle E. So we can write this relation angle BCA equals to angle EGF. Now half of this angle, that is while dividing from 2 both the side, we have a 1 upon 2 angle BCA equals to 1 upon 2 angle EGF. Now half of this, that is this is the bisector, so this angle 1 equals to the angle 2, because CD is a bisector of BCA and GH is a bisector of angle EGF. Now in triangle ADC and FGH, here this angle equals to this angle, this one equals to this, so we can say these two triangle will similar from the angle similarity. So but we have to write this condition, angle F equals to angle A and angle 1 equals to angle 2. So we can write angle ADC equals to angle FGH. So these two triangle ADC is similar to triangle FGH. Now once they are similar, so we can write in this corresponding side in a proportional, AD upon FG, FH equals to AC upon FG equals to CD upon GH. Once they are similar, so we can write their corresponding side in a proportional. So whatever the requirements, CD upon GH equals to AC upon FG, we will utilize these two equality. So first proof. Now for the second, in triangle DCB and triangle HGF, angle B equals to angle E, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Now BCD equals to angle EGH. Now we know that BCD, that is half of angle BCA, and EGH equals to half of angle EGF, that is angle BCA equals to angle EGF. Since and third angle, that is angle BDC equals to angle EGH, triangles are equiangular, that means all the angles of these two triangles are equal, so they become similar, that is triangle DCB is similar to triangle FGHE. Now from the first result we can say if these two triangles are similar, so we can write triangle ADC is similar to triangle FGH, because angle A equals to this angles to this. So by angle similarity already these two will be similar to each other.